and a big warm welcome to my channel. Welcome to this new video which is all about how I have been teaching Ayan how to read and write. So to let you guys know, Ayan has been doing phonics class for about 8.5 months, and now we've taken a break because the classes have been a little advanced for him. So once he's at that age where he can do it, then I will be putting him into that. I have made an entire video on that. It's called Learn to Read. Do check that video out, and the books that you have to buy from them so that your child learns how to get the sight words, how to read when you're reading an activity book or a story book at bedtime. So these are the two books that I had ordered from Amazon, and this is a very good book in terms of reading, in terms of finding out the sight words, and also in the fact that when you're reading a bedtime story for your child, make them learn the sight words like the, to, for, if. So these are the two books that I highly recommend. These are from Amazon. It says very first sight words and sentences. This is level 1, the yellow color one, and the blue color is very first sight words and sentences level 2. So these are the books that we have been using, and it's very difficult for them to get it at first, but over a period of time, slowly and gradually, like just 10 minutes per day, when your child is about 4 years old, 3.5, 4 years old, you can start that. So this is how the book looks like. So right now the word is the, so it says I can see the dog, I like the dog. So this is how the book looks like. Okay, and as I turn the page, then it will be up and down. So this is how they have used words in the word up and down. They also have different books which are very first sentences book. Then they have a dinosaur, they have phonics, long, short, and these are the also other books that are available on Amazon. So right now I just bought these because I didn't want him to be too overwhelmed with a lot of books. So this is the first one, and the second one, which is a little advanced, which I will be starting when he is about 4.5 years old. I don't want to be like too much on him. So this is the second one, and as I open the book you will see want and all. So this is how it looks. Then as I keep changing the page, it says again, long, and then as we move ahead, they have also given you time to practice in this one. So these are the two books that I have been thoroughly enjoying. Also, like I remember we had a school meeting, and the school teacher said that whenever a parent is reading a newspaper, all you can do is you can open the newspaper and make them try to read the headings like the, to, F, for. So these are the words that they can learn with you, and it becomes a very nice routine that you're putting in them to start reading the newspapers in the morning, or to have your time with them where you can just spare 5 minutes with you, and that's how they can read. So the tradition that me and Ayan have been following for about a year is that every time the newspaper is at our place, there is a story section that comes in Bombay Times, and I sit with him, I read out for him, and he gets very happy about it, and he gets to read those words. It's a very gradual process. I would highly recommend that don't overburden your child either with any activities or with any sports or any kind of education system, because at the end of the day we don't want to lose the whole essence of learning. All we have to do is go at a very nice and a gradual pace. So make it like a habit, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then you keep increasing their reading time. So I personally want Ayan to be a book lover, so that's the reason I love getting books for him. So these are the two books, and go check them out. I will be putting the link in the description box, which is just below the video that you're seeing, and you can go ahead and buy these books. Also guys, do subscribe to my channel. It's totally free. We are increasing, the family is increasing, and it makes my heart super proud and super happy. So thank you so much once again. Take care, and do share this or whatever videos that I have been making. If you know any friend, family, do share it with them. Thank you so much, and that's Ayan. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.